Is it possible to make 9,000 using trendline breaks? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner trader. Alright, so I'm gonna take this for 2 trades. Right here, guys, if you pay attention very clearly, you can see that this trend line was broken. Okay, and whenever a trend line is broken, we know that the price in most cases will continue going that same direction. Now guys, when you're drawing your trend lines, remember to always draw the trend line from the body, okay, not the wick. All right, if you want to drive from the wick, it's up to you though, but this is how I find it work very nice for me. So this is the way I'm going to show you it. Anyway, yeah, I have 2 trades here on this pair, so let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, so my entry is not really good, but as you see, we were perfectly on time with this trade. Yeah, this trade looked very nicely, guys. I want to say something also, guys. Remember, all trend lines are not the same, okay? You have trend lines and you just have lines. See what I'm saying? So therefore, you have to learn how to identify a proper trend line, because some trend lines are weak, and when they are broken, they don't really work that well. Like the price will dance around, it won't move in your direction. See what I'm saying? For instance, if a strong trend line is broken, it means that the price is strong. See what I'm saying? And remember to draw your trend line from the body, not the wick. So I'm not gonna put any more trade on this, guys. Depend on the market condition, guys. Sometimes what I do, I don't trade too aggressive. Now the market is in a, it's basically ranging and stuff like that, so trend line breaks, it will work. But again, remember, for your trade to work at the best, you need to learn how to identify the strong trend lines. Then when you identify a strong trend line, when it's broken, it means that the price has to be strong to break it. Think about that. Like, if you just logically think, if a level is strong and it's broken, obviously the price that broke it must be strong, so the price will continue going in your direction. Okay, let's find our next opportunity. Yes, I'm gonna take this trade for 2,000. All right, as I said, I'm not going aggressive today, and this is something I need you guys to understand. You have to have a money management. Don't you ever think I'm not trading without a money management. I always trade with a money management. The thing is that I have a couple money management, probably about 6 to 7, right? Depending on the market condition, I roll out the specific one. For instance, if I see the market is very fruitful, very giving, very, it's flowing with all my strategies, and I see the market is on easy mode, what I will usually do is I take advantage of that and I will risk very heavy. Those times I will do like compounding sessions, because the market is very good. You have to know the difference, and you have to know when to be aggressive in the market. I'll take one more. While I was marking this, guys, I noticed the trend line was broken, and that's so nice. There is something else I need to share with you guys right here. If you notice very clearly, we have a red-green pattern here. So that means this candle might be red. As I was about to say, it's red. No, it's red. It's a high chance this candle will be green. Because remember, when we're in red-green pattern, red-green pattern, it can continue for like 10 candles, 15 candles. There's no limit and there's no minimum. So knowing all of these stuff, guys, it helps you to be more versatile in the market. Trading is the game of probability. You cannot rely on one thing. Do not think I'm relying on one thing. I'm looking at a lot of stuff. Okay? Alright, so I'm taking plenty trade here, guys. The reason why I'm doing this, I don't know if you noticed, previously the trade I took was 20 something percent. I didn't even notice, guys. And this goes to show you that my mind is not focused on profit. My mind is focused on trading. You see what I'm saying? And this is the difference between a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader. We focus mainly on the strategy, trading, not profit. And this was something that took me a while to understand also. You see, the moment you switch your mind from profit and from, think about the strategy more, you will notice that you become profitable because you're going to trade so perfect. Because you're not focusing on money, you're focusing on the strategy. That's a psychological hack. Let me tell you. That's when I realized a difference in my trading. Alright, so I'm not going to take any more trade here because this is a doji closing on the level. It didn't break properly, but sorry guys, I was away from the mic. But if you check very closely here, you will see that, hold on, yeah, you will see that the wick broke the line, right? And if you watch previous videos of mine, you will know that I spoke about wicks. Whenever the wick broke the line, it doesn't mean that it didn't break. It broke because in the lower time frame, the wicks are price movements, right? And this is the reason why wicks are important, right? Because wicks tell you a story in the lower time frame. I need you to understand this, okay? Alright, so this trade is a draw. I think I'm gonna take 4 more trade here, guys. The reason why I am away from the mic again, guys, if you didn't hear me properly, bear with me, right? Okay, previously I was on the same pair and I noticed that this candle created a lower low compared to this one, and I draw this trade and I know the price wants to go down because this trend line is strong and it broken. Okay, let me see. Let me check on the trades which I've closed previously. Okay, see that, guys? The trade was a draw. I didn't lose or I didn't win, right? So yeah, so I entered again because I'm trying to profit off this price movement. This doji tells me a lot right here. We're in a ranging market, so that means this trend line break is pretty accurate. Okay, the price is really playing with me. No, we won. Let me check again, guys, what's going on here. Okay, guys, so we won 2 trades and we draw the other 2. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to change this pair. We're not losing, and once we're not losing, that's good, right? Once you're profit, all right, guys, you know that this gap is gonna be filled, right? I'm gonna show you guys something. Oh my god, this trade is a sure shot. I think I should put more on it, but I'm not gonna. I told you I'm being very conservative in this session based on the market condition. I don't want to get carried away. It's not the day for, aggressive trading. Even though this trade is so perfect, guys, like this trade, I could empty my entire balance and I'm really sure it would work. There's so many things why I say that, guys. Damn, we're in a red green pattern. We broke the trend line. Basically, what's going on here? Trend line moved back. Okay, yeah, we have broke the trend line right there. Doji form, sign of reversal, red green pattern. We're at a supply demand area. There's so many things, guys. This is the reason why when you have enough knowledge about trading, you're literally unstoppable. Literally, there's nothing can stop you. All right, guys, always remember that when you're taking your trades, don't take your trade if the price doesn't close. Like if the candle is running, don't try to take a trade on a running candle. That's madness, right? There's no accuracy there unless you're trading candlestick psychology 1 minute. Yes, you can take running candles, but you have to know what you're doing. If you're not profitable or you don't know candlestick psychology, I would not recommend you to do that. See what I'm saying? And another thing, guys, many people take trading as a casino. If you look at trading as a casino or a get rich quick, you're going to get casino results. You cannot expect any difference because you're trading it like a casino. Okay? If you're looking for consistency while trading, my mentorship can help you achieve that. In my mentorship, I show you candlestick psychology, price action, supply and demand, trend line, points of interest, everything. I teach you how to trade like an institutional trader. So if you're interested, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship, and the details are in the Telegram channel. Please read the details before contacting my admin. Thank you. And this will be the end of my video. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.